Successful mortgage broker put it all on the line when he saw a growing need in the housing market. So he stepped away from a lucrative job at United Wholesale Mortgage in Pontiac to start a nonprofit.
Yeah, its goal is to help Hispanic and other underrepresented groups find an easier path to homeownership. Fox News' Dave Spencer joins us live in studio with more on what motivated his mission.
We're in Money Works, but sometimes money isn't everything. That was the case for this gentleman. Rogelio Goertzen says when he started his job at United Wholesale Mortgages, he was constantly being asked by coworkers to help them translate English to Spanish and vice versa, until one day it dawned on him the Hispanic population and other minority groups could use a middleman, someone to lay it all out on the line, their home buying option. So he became that man. From his home office, Rogelio Goertzen plots out what his next move for home will be.
The goals that I had, we already crushed them.
Yeah.
So I have to go back and go to the drawing board and increase that level once again.
HOME here stands for Hispanic Organization Mortgage Experts, a collection of members who can help a growing segment of potential home buyers.
1 million Hispanics will turn 18 every single year and continue to do so for the next 20 years. And it's that growth that we need to help facilitate, and that's what I'm focused on for the future.
It's a part of the population that he knows very well. He says his family started the first Hispanic church in Windsor, and he watched the population of that church grow from 5 people to 3,000. Seeing that success gave Goertzen the courage to set aside a lucrative job working at United Wholesale Mortgages and start something of his own.
I'm hoping to reach the Hispanic community and unite them like never before.
In his experience, there are a couple of things holding back Hispanic home buyers.
It's a fear mindset. There's a lot of things, especially in today's political climate, that scare a lot of Hispanics, even Hispanics that are legal that have been here. And they have this fear mentality where they feel like they can't, or they feel like they don't deserve it.
He says having someone like himself in their corner to explain options and speak the lender language goes a long way in alleviating those fears.
So oftentimes a minority group will go into a bank and they'll get denied, and then they'll think that no means no everywhere when it doesn't.
Another barrier?
They don't trust banks, especially in Latin America. The banks aren't regulated the same way that they are here, so they have a lot of fear that's based around that.
That's where his nonprofit home comes in.
I want to break the mindset. It's not just about the finances. It's not just about the home. It's how do we break those generational patterns of feeling afraid and feeling like you can't get something, and teaching you that it is possible. Go dream, do it big, and then dream bigger.
Through his webpage, tunuevohome.com, he helps connect people like him, experienced experts in the home buying industry, with those looking to own a home by way of memberships, different tiers at different price points.
Memberships are up over 200%. We're building a learning management system to not only educate the consumer, but also loan officers on the different products, on the different things that the banks do. And we have very hefty goals.
Goertzen says his company HOME is self-funded because he didn't want any donors or anyone else to try and control the narrative or the mission, and it offers some protection from any federal cuts to programs in the future. Now, you can find more information on his company at fox2detroit.com. For Money Works, I'm Dave Spencer.